Hey viewers, it's another fresh day with a healthy lifestyle. This is Bilal and you're watching CG Health and Meditation. Today I will tell you some more health remedies. So let's start.
Once or twice, everybody have a bad breath. So there's a very simple solution for that. Take some cardamom and a clove, like 2-3 pieces, and powder them. Crush them really nice. Take a blender or anything. Keep them in a very small container. After having each meal, just take a pinch of it, keep it in your mouth, and it will definitely keep your bad breath away. and also it's beneficial for the problems of acidity. For amnesia, there is a very simple solution. Boil 1 cup of water, put rosemary herb in it. Take 1 or half teaspoon of rosemary herb and put in the water. Let the water boil for like 10 minutes and make the tea out of this rosemary herb, just like we make green tea. Stain it, and if you want to add, you can add some honey in it. Take it twice a day or 3 times a day. It will be very beneficial for you. It will definitely treat your forgetfulness. Anemia is a condition in which you have low number of red blood cells and hemoglobin level in your blood is also low. For anemia, you have to take care of what you eat. Take 1 teaspoon of honey and take it 2 times a day. You have to go for a well-balanced diet, which is mostly rich in iron. For example, you can take foods or seeds like sesame seeds, almonds, dairy products, animal protein, vegetables as beet and lettuce, spinach, soybean, radish, carrot, tomato, and just fresh fruit like banana, blackberries, strawberries, apple, amla, plum, and take fresh juices to keep you healthy and a well-balanced rich diet. To cure appendicitis, there is an excellent home remedy. You have to take 1 teaspoon of green gram, which is also known as mung bean, 3 times a day, and take lots of water to keep you hydrated. For asthma, the best you can do is eat healthy. So leafy vegetables, tomatoes, carrots, they all are excellent for asthma. Eating lots of apples protect against asthma. Eating fruits, vegetables daily will help you reduce your problems. Even in childhood, it's best you eat all these vegetables and also keep up good exercise. And also on the sidelines, you can do some exercise to build up your stamina for asthma. For athlete foot, take some tea tree oil and rub between your toe fingers. That will heal your any kind of pain. Secondly, to get an instant relief from itching and burning, apply some baking soda. And by that you can do is like you can take a little bit of water and 2 spoons of water and 2 spoons of baking soda. Mix it, just make a little bit of paste like thing and then put it on your toe finger and then wash off for 15 minutes. Nowadays, in this hectic lifestyle, everybody suffers from a backache. For that, apply garlic oil on your back. That will give you instant relief. And then massage on your back. It will give you really instant relief. Secondly, what you can do is take some garlic pieces, like 10 small pieces, and fry them in a coconut oil, or if you have a mustard oil, both will be very good, on a very low flame, and turn them a little bit of light, like golden brown or light brown. Then let the oil cool down completely. Once this oil completely cools down, take those oil with the garlic pieces in it and put it on your back. Massage a little bit, then wrap around with a knee bandage and keep it there for 3 hours at least. And repeat this process for a few days or a week. You will feel really good relief. For blackheads, take 1 teaspoon of curd. Curd is like a homemade yogurt. It's okay if you don't have a curd like homemade yogurt, you can take a normal yogurt as well. And then take 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Make a paste of them by mixing them. When it is thick, then apply them on your affected area. wherever you have blackheads, like on chin or nose. Mostly these are the areas. After some time, let it dry and then wash your face with cold water.
Body odor. Mostly in summers we used to face these kind of problem. With the help of deodorant soap and antibacterial soap, you can get rid of this. It totally depends on your eating habits. If you will eat healthy, you will not face this problem. Eat healthy foods like fiber, whole grains, wheat, and these kind of products. Add these kind of products in your life, then you will not face this kind of problem. We have 2 home remedies for body odor. For first remedy, take a cotton pad, apply some apple cider vinegar and use this in your armpit. And also baking soda is very good to avoid body odor. Take a small bowl, put some baking soda in it, add some water and use that in your armpits. That will absorb your sweat as well. Body rashes. No need to worry about it. This is one of the common problem. I will tell you 2 easy remedies to avoid body rashes. Take some olive oil, apply on rashes area and you will get rid of it. And for the second remedy, aloe vera. Everybody knows about aloe vera. Take some aloe vera gel, keep it in the fridge, and whenever you need to use it, whenever you will have any body rashes or anything like that, just take some aloe vera gel and use it on the rashes area. You will see a magic. Your rashes and burning will reduce instantly, like in a couple of minutes. Bronchitis. Bronchitis is an infection of the tubes that is in the lungs, and its symptom includes cough up thick mucus and squeaking voice. And for the remedy, you have to take a fresh ginger juice and add 2 teaspoons of honey. Take it twice a day. It will help you to reduce the intensity of the problem. In bronchitis, you have to avoid few things, like you have to avoid heavy food, contaminated food, onion, mustard, and you should avoid some heavy work. Bone spur. Bone spur is also called osteophyte. Bone spur is a tiny pointed outgrowth of bone. They develop in area of inflammation or injury. You have to apply the ice pack on the infected area 4 to 5 times a day. And if it doesn't work, apply a heating pad on it. And for bone spur, we have one more remedy. With an empty stomach, you have to take 500 to 1000 grams of curcumin. Curcumin is a part of turmeric. You have to apply that 3 to 4 times a day on the affected area. Continue for this 6 weeks. There is one more remedy for it. Take flaxseed hot pack and apply it on the affected area. It will help a lot to relieving the pain. Burning mouth syndromes. Burning mouth syndrome is a painful complex condition described as a burning or tingling feeling in the mouth that may occur every day for months or longer. It is most commonly found in adults over the age of 60 years. To get an instant relief in the pain, you can use ice cubes. Or there is an excellent mouth syndrome remedy is you can chewing a sugar-free gum that can give you a relief in your pain. And one more remedy you can use is you can use baking soda rather than using the toothpaste to brush your teeth. And for precautions, you can avoid some hot and spicy food, and you can take some food which are rich in iron. Burns. For the burns, the first thing you have to do is to put a lot of chilled water on it. Or you can put an ice cubes on a wounded area for at least half an hour. And there is another remedy for burns, which is to heal the wound. take honey and apply it over the wound, but be careful, apply it after washing the wound properly. Another remedy for burns is aloe vera. You can use raw aloe vera on the affected area, or you can apply aloe vera gel on it. It will give you instant relief. Or you can apply a toothpaste on it if the wound is small. It will give you a cool effect. Canker sores. Canker sores are small, shallow lesions that develop on the soft tissues in your mouth or at the base of your gums. And for the remedy, you can take a cup of water and 1 teaspoon of coriander leaves. You can boil it in any kettle. Then you can remove it when it warms. Strain it in a separate cup or glass. You can gargle it 2-3 times a day. It will give you instant relief. Cataract. What is cataract? Cataract is a clouding or loss of transparency of the lens in the eye as a result of tissue breakdown and protein clumping. And for the remedy, carrot. Carrot is very good for eyes. You can eat carrots daily or drink carrot juice once in the morning and once in the evening. And second remedy is garlic. You can eat 2-3 cloves of garlic every day. And how you can take that? Take a raw garlic and chew them slowly. Garlic acid will really help you in cleaning the crystalline lens of the eye.
Corns. Corns are hard, thick areas of skin that occur usually on feet. They are very hard, they are small, and they pinch, and they are very painful. So what we can do is cut a fresh slice of lemon and place it on the painful area of that corn. Wrap it around with any bandage that you have or any cloth for the entire night. Wash it off in the morning and repeat this process every day until that your corns heals. Cirrhosis of liver. Cirrhosis is a late stage of scarring or fibrosis of liver, which are caused by many forms of liver diseases and conditions such as hepatitis and chronic alcoholism. Each time your liver is injured, whether by disease, excessive alcohol consumption, or another case, it tries to repair itself. So the first solution is grind black papaya seeds and strain its juice. Then take 1 teaspoon of this juice and add 10 drops of fresh lemon juice to it. Drink this mixture twice or 1 time a day. Secondly, take 200 ml of spinach juice. Ml is like milliliter. So take 200 ml of spinach juice and mix it with 300 ml of carrot juice. Mix these juices. Drink this mixture every day. It will heal your liver problem soon enough. Cough. Cough is very common and it happens to everybody. Sometimes people complain that they have cough for 1 month. It's probably because they are not taking precautions or measures that can avoid to harm your glands and your throat. So let's start with the remedy. Take 10 grams of dried ginger, long pepper. Long pepper is a little bit thin and long. So if you don't find long pepper, okay, you can go with the round pepper, the normal pepper as well. But if you find long pepper, that will be good. So take 10 grams of dried ginger, long pepper, holy basil leaves, and 4 to 6 cardamoms. Then grind these all together and make a fine powder. Then take half teaspoon of this powder and half teaspoon of honey. They both should be equal. Mix them and then take this 1 teaspoon 3 or 4 times a day. Gradually your cough will go away and your throat and your glands will be really good. Cracks on heels. Cracks or heels, they occur usually after 35 or 40 of age. If we do not take care of ourselves, definitely something will go wrong. So heels are very sensitive, although we don't think of that sensitive. How they occur is that your body has a lot of weight. Constantly standing or housewife doing work, constantly by standing in the kitchen or dusting or working. There's a lot of pressure that goes on your heels, heel pads. So what they do is they expand and they crack if you do not take care of them. So let's start with the remedy, how we can take care of our cracked heels. Okay, take 3 teaspoons of beeswax and mix 1 teaspoon of sesame oil in it. Then warm this mixture a little bit and apply this paste on the affected area. Wrap around with a cloth or bandage, anything you have, and leave it for your entire night. You can leave it open as well so that it absorbs everything. Then wash it in the morning and put Vaseline petroleum jelly for all day. If you can put petroleum jelly, that will be good. If you don't have it, then put any moisturizer or any cream. Regularly taking care of your feet will really help heal those cracks. Put some moisture in it, moisturizer in it, anything. Secondly, if you don't have time to make this mixture, something really simple you can do is, like I said, use Vaseline petroleum jelly for an entire day. Keep socks on or don't keep socks on, it will absorb. Or you can warm some sesame oil or ghee is oil, and put it in the affected area several times a day because this will absorb everything. Dandruff. Dandruff is a very common problem, and we have a very simple solution for that. Neem tree. Neem tree has many benefits, one of which is treating for dandruff. Take 100 grams of leaves of neem tree and boil them in 1 liter of water for at least 1 to 2 hours. Then allow it to cool down and strain it through a very thin cloth. This extraction is an excellent hair wash and it prevents dandruff. And always prepare this extraction freshly for every wash. You can use this extraction after your shampoo and conditioner or before, or any time in a day as well. It will definitely cure your dandruff problem. Dark skin. Dark skin is a very common problem. Your skin develops pigmentation disorder, which affects the color of your skin. Sometimes it could be light, sometimes it could be dark, sometimes it could be very dark in certain areas of your face or even a body. Maybe a forehead, a chin area, around your lips. So what we can do best is to keep your skin healthy. Let's make a paste for that. Prepare a natural skin pack by mixing 1 teaspoon of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and half teaspoon of almond oil. If you don't have a milk powder, you can use milk as well. Make a paste of all these and then apply on your face. Leave it for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. This is a very effective remedy. It will bring immediate glow to your face, and slowly and gradually your dark patches will go away. Of course, with this remedy, you have to take care of your food habits as well. Keep your body fresh because your skin reacts to whatever you eat. Okay, so if you don't have time to make this entire paste, we have a very quick remedy for you. That is potato. Take a raw potato, peel it off. Do not wash the potato after peeling it off. Cut very thin slices and put all those slices around your face. Potato has many different qualities in it. What it does is it brightens up your skin and improves your skin tone and makes your skin tan go away as well, along with the dark patches. So this is a very quick remedy. Let's see how you do it. Depression. Every now and then we face depression due to stress or any problem in our life. We have bad mood swings. Let's see what we can do with this. When it comes to taking care of depression and bad moods, the perfect remedy is to eat an apple with milk and honey. What do we say that? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. And milk is perfect for your health as well as honey. Take this all and it will recharge you like an energy booster. In treating depression, cashew nuts are extremely beneficial as it is a rich source of vitamin B group and they aid in encouraging the appetite. Plus, if you want to lose weight, this is perfect to add some dry fruits in your diet. Plus, they will decrease your depression. It ensures the body to stay active and raise your energy levels. This is the quick remedy for depression. Just grab few cashew nuts and you're good to go. Diabetes. Diabetes is a very serious problem and it should be consulted with doctor firstly and foremost. But we do have a remedy for that as well. In fact, we have few small remedies. Let's see. Take 1 teaspoon of amla, which is also known as Philanthus amblica juice. So take 1 teaspoon of amla juice, 1 cup of bitter gourd juice, which is also known as Karela. Mix it and take it for at least 2 months. Secondly, take amla, jamun. Jamun is also known as black plum. Take amla, jamun seed, and bitter melon powder in equal quantity. Mix all 3 powders together and take 1 teaspoon every day at least 2-3 times in one day. Thirdly, drink bitter melon juice on empty stomach every day in the morning. Fourth, take 25 to 100 grams of fenugreek seed every day.
Dry skin. Let's see what we have for dry skin today. Face oil may be one of the best kept beauty secrets, as makeup artists and celebrities has been using them to smooth and soothe skin on set. These oil absorbs into the skin quickly, providing instant moisture with a finish that isn't greasy. Oil is very good to cure your dry skin. An oil massage is a simple remedy to treat your dry skin. For better results, add a few drops of glycerin to the oil just before apply on your dry skin. Coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower seed oil, argan oil, shea butter oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, grape seed oil, rosehip seed oil, marula oil. You can use any of these oil for massage. For dried lips massage, clarified butter or milk cream. Apply them for a couple of days just before going to bed. Earaches. What is earaches? Earaches is a disorder which occurs due to infection of the outer ear or the middle ear. The outer ear canal can catch infection during swimming or water stuck in it, while infection of the middle ear are more common in younger age. And for the remedy, you can take 3 grams of garlic and ajwain seeds, then boil them together in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Boil until they turn red. Stain it using a fine cloth and then allow it to cool down to the room temperature. Use it as an ear drops once in a day. Definitely you will get benefit. Fever. Fever is very common thing. A very common way in treating fever due to sunstroke is sponging a forehead and the body with the cold water. And for the better result, you can add 1 teaspoon of rose water in cold water before sponging it. You can also add rose water in the ice bag and use it for sponging. Another remedy for fever is take 20 fresh leaves of holy basil, a small piece of ginger and 5 grains of black pepper. Then boil them together in 1.5 cup of water. When 1 glass is left of this tea, drink this warm tea. You will soon feel the fever better. And in the fever, you have to avoid drinks like cold water, milk, yogurt or any kind of cold drinks. And complete bed rest is advisable during the fever. Gout. Gout is a form of arthritis caused by excess uric acid in the bloodstream. The symptoms of gout are due to the formation of uric acid crystals in the joint and the body's response to them. And for the remedy, take half lemon and squeeze its juice in glass. Make it warm little bit. Drink this 3 times a day. And for the second remedy is take few French beans and extract half cup of juice from them. Drink this juice every day for 1 month. You will definitely get benefit from these remedies.
Hair loss. When the amount of your hair loss is bigger than the amount of your normal hair fall, then it means that you have a severe hair loss problem and you need very special care for that. There could be many factors that could cause this: improper diet, exposure to chemicals or cosmetics, hormonal imbalance, stress, anxiety, and mental tensions are some of the causes that could cause your hair loss problem. Oiling your hair is a very old method for hair loss. We have few remedies for that. Let's start. Massage the scalp gently with coconut or almond oil daily for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash with shampoo and conditioner. This is a very important step. Shampoo the conditioner to your roots and then conditioner to your full hair length. Even if your shampoo is harsh, the oil will at least protect your roots. Next we have neem leaves. Boil neem leaves in water, let it cool down, then stir the leaves and take out the extraction. That means just the water. Then let it cool down and rinse your hair with this extraction water. Thirdly, we have a very important remedy, rice water remedy. Wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner and then rinse thoroughly with water. Pour the rice water onto your hair and scalp fully. Like the scalp and your hair should be fully into the rice water. Then gently massage your hair with the rice water and let it soak for at least 20 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Lukewarm is like normal water, normal warm water. So then rinse with normal warm water. Let me tell you how to make a rice water now. Rice water is very easy to make. Just take 1 cup of rice and clean them with water 2-3 times. Then fill it with your drinking water of 2 cups. Just imagine how much you will pour on your head so you can keep 3 cups or 2 cups of water. Dip these rice and put them in jar for at least 1 to 2 hours. Let the extracts of all the rice stay in the water. Then take the water out and strain the rice. You don't need to boil them or anything, just the pure rice. And then use that water to wash your hairs. For moreover, you can watch over your diet, like increase Green leafy vegetables, salad, milk, fruits, sprouts in your diet. Take more proteins like milk, buttermilk, yeast, soybeans, whole grains, nuts. Basically, keep your diet healthy. What they say is you are what you eat, so eat healthy. Headache. Headache is very common. It could be mild, moderate, or severe pain that affects the whole head or a part of your head or just forehead or just your eye areas. Nausea, difficulty in sleeping, loss of appetite, feeling uneasy, these are all some of the symptoms of headache. What we can do is take cloves, cinnamon, and almonds in equal quantity, 1 tablespoon each, and grind them together with a little water and make a paste. Apply this paste on your forehead. You can wrap around with a bandage or just leave the paste for 10 to 15 minutes on your forehead. Then wash off. Definitely it will have a very cooling effect and your headache will go away. Secondly, you can take oil massage. Oil massage on the scalp also relieves tensions and headaches. Sesame oil, almond oil, mustard oil, or normal ghee. Ghee is a natural oil that you take out. So ghee can be used for massage as well. A very quick remedy is wrap a wet cloth around your neck. The cloth could be a little bit cooler so that it gives a very cool effect to your head. So because all the veins of your head goes till your neck, back neck. The patient should mostly try to keep his mind or her mind out of tension-free environment. Keep your mind free from anxiety, anger, mental tension, and worry. Worrying is part of life, so stay happy. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is condition when the blood pressure is higher than the normal. High blood pressure is when long-term of force of your blood gets against your artery walls and it is high enough that it may eventually cause health problems such as higher risk of stroke, heart disease, heart attack, and kidney failure. So just relax your mind and calm down. Take 100 grams of melon seed and 100 grams of poppy seed. Grind them to make a powder. Store the powder in a clean, airtight container. Take 1 teaspoon with water daily, morning and evening. Secondly, a real effective home remedy for high blood pressure is to take 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and mix them all well. Take this at least twice a day. Definitely your tension and your blood pressure all will cool down. Indigestion. Indigestion is a term that describes discomfort or pain in upper abdomen. It is not a disease. The term is referred to as a group of symptoms that often includes bloating, discomfort, nausea, and burping. In the majority cases, indigestion is linked to eating or drinking habits. So take care of your health, whatever you eat. Let's start with our first remedy. Add 2 drops of mint oil in 1 cup of warm water. Drink immediately. It provides instant relief from dripping and flatulence. Flatulence is the gas. Secondly, mix 1 teaspoon of ajwain seeds and half teaspoon of rock salt. Grind them to make a powder. Take this mixture with a glass of water. This will instantly get rid of your flatulence like gastric problems and stomach disorder. Moreover, there are few things that you can take care of by yourself. Like try not to chew with your mouth open. First of all, it is bad manners. Second of all, it is not healthy. Don't talk while you chew or eat too fast. This makes you swallow too much air, which can add up to indigestion. Moreover, like drink beverages, you can avoid them during your meal. Avoiding them totally would be best for health. Avoid late night eating, like at least try to finish up your dinner maximum till 8 o'clock. Try to relax after meals. Avoid spicy foods. If you smoke, it's better you quit. Avoid alcohol. Basically, you have to take care of your health, stay healthy. We hope our natural remedies can help you get better. So that's all for today. We will be back with new health remedies. Subscribe our channel, like and share the video. Comment below if you have any more suggestions. Thank you very much.